Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit with presets on the Alight Motion application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion app on your device. And once you open it up, you can either open up any of your old projects or create a new one by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Now, if you wish to edit your videos from templates that already exist within the application, then tap on the templates at the bottom right corner. Here you will find various different templates at the top section which you can use to edit your videos more quickly. You can also tap on View All to see from the various different templates that are available. Once you find one that you are interested in, tap on the download button at the top right corner and then tap on Import. This will now import the preset file onto your device. Now underneath within Replace Media, you can choose the videos that you want to use. Tap on the individual media and then upload your media from your gallery. Once you have uploaded all of the media that you want to add, you can tap on the next button and now this will add your medias onto the timeline where you can start editing it right away. You can set the duration by tapping on individual layers and pulling from the beginning and the end to adjust their duration. Once you have made your desired edit, you can start playing your video and you will see that your desired effect has already been added to your video as it was displayed within the template. And there you have it. That is how you can edit your videos using presets or templates on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.